I don't know if I can get a shot of it here, but that is a condition that a lot of guys have. It was a wallowed out track bar hole. Alright, so on this track bar here, I've got a pretty wallowed out hole on the frame. So I made this little template and I'm gonna cut it out of this steel with a new hole, and I'll weld that in on the frame and drill this hole out for a new 1/2 inch grade 8 bolt, and that should be pretty good. And then I'll go ahead and drill out the hole on there to accommodate this bolt, which is just a little bit. I'm sure that bolt that was in there was metric. Voila. Alright, so that baby's gonna go in there just like that. Alright, that's pretty good right there, kids. So I'll clamp that in there, clean that all up, weld it in there. We'll have a nice reinforced track bar bracket. I'm probably gonna end up cutting all this off later on when we do the lift, because I think I need to do an extended one. I'm not really sure, but we'll find out. Alright. Well, it's not the right size drill. Nice and tight. All right, got that tightened up in there. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my fans, my 12 YouTube fans, buddy. Yeah. I was just pointing out this here. I just replaced this boot like 200 miles ago, and it apparently failed. It's very strange that it even has this like weird lip on it, which is weird. Like, where'd the clip go that was holding it tight? Like, when I look at this one over here, this one looks nothing like that one. That is weird, dude. Like, how? That doesn't even look right. Right. Like, it's all either that wore out into that shape. I don't know. Strange. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and TIG weld this into place. All tapped in. Well, Just boogered up my tungsten there at the end, but all right, I got it all welded in. All right, I got it all, just hit it with some spray paint. Ready to reinstall. All right, I'm gonna try to drill out this track bar. Of course, this is just a temporary solution. I'll be getting an adjustable track bar or building one when we do the lift kit, but this is just to kind of get us through with what we got. All right, I'm using new locking nuts, all grade 8 hardware. That bolt went in real nice, it's super nice and tight. Alright, so like I said, this is just really a temporary fix for this Jeep. Once we do the lift kit and design all the suspension components and stuff, probably going to do a drop bracket for the track bar and an adjustable track bar to keep everything lined up real nice. So for now, that could be 3 or 4 months down the road by the time I get to that. So I just wanted to get this front end kind of squared away. So that's it on the track bar. Made a custom piece, a bigger bolt with a 1/2 inch grade 8 bolt instead of the metric bolt, which is just a little bit bigger. Drilled out the bushing, the steel bushing onto the stock track bar with a new bolt, new nut. Should be good to go. Peace out, guys.